President Uhuru Kenyatta says the country is facing what he terms a serious COVID-19 problem, which is growing. The president also saying a reset in the handling of the pandemic may be on the cards soon. He spoke as the Ministry of Health announced that 17 more people had died of COVID-19, pushing the death toll from the virus beyond the 1,000 mark to 1,013. Elfas Lagat with more details.
The dilemma on whether to return to stricter containment measures, including a potential lockdown, is becoming a reality for Kenya. The COVID-19 pandemic has become established within communities, and high numbers of infections are of concern as a second wave of the virus is felt worldwide.
We are going through that very difficult time of saying, now what do we do again? Do we close up? We shall be coming back to that, not today, but soon.
The head of state, while attending the 50th anniversary of the Anglican Church of Kenya, saying it is incumbent on all Kenyans to observe safety protocols to keep COVID-19 at bay and to avoid further drastic actions to tame the rising curve.
If only people would observe and would be caring of their fellow citizens, it is possible to keep COVID at bay and still be able to live and lead a normal life.
In the last 24 hours, 17 COVID-19 patients have succumbed, raising the death toll to 1,013. An additional 685 people have turned out positive from a sample size of 4,433. This represents a positivity rate of 15.4%. Mombasa County beating Nairobi marginally in the number of new cases with 203 compared to the capital's 202. Busia recorded 95 cases, Nakuru, Kiambu and Bungoma with 18 each. Kilifi, Kisumu and Embu recorded 17 cases each.
We have been having a serious COVID problem in this country, and it is growing.
1,271 patients are admitted in various health facilities. 53 are in intensive care units. 4,806 COVID-19 patients are under the home-based care program. 231 patients have recovered from the virus, raising the number of recoveries to 37,194. A second wave of the global pandemic is now forcing countries, mostly in Europe, to return to strict containment measures. England has announced plans to shut pubs, restaurants and most shops, joining France, Germany, Belgium and Ireland, who have locked down in efforts geared at keeping hospitals from being overwhelmed.
I'm afraid non-essential shops, leisure and entertainment venues will all be closed, though click and collect services can continue and essential shops will remain open, so there's no need to stock up.
The pandemic has led to 1.19 million deaths worldwide. 46 million people have tested positive since the onset, with 30.8 million recoveries recorded. Elfas Lagat, Citizen TV.